bati. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto oyuoro ik mar owadgi jalupne Reriani Gachagua Jackson Reriani e county ma Nyeri kocha. Maendi e thuolo mokwongo ma Ruto timo limbe e gwenge mag Nyeri ma be Gachagua wuokie tok yiero manotimore tarik 9 dwe mar 8 e higani. Reriani ne owito ngimane ka ojegni 71. Koro mogora ne wadhi achiel kachiel mondo wawinjare ni to gin weche mage ma koro sani wachore kata mage madhi nyime e ika ma timore e county ma Nyeri no.
We can't thank you enough for taking care of Reriani. The role you played, we cannot do. However much I love my brother, I cannot come and cook for him. I cannot come and wash his clothes. I cannot come and nurse him. You did that. We celebrate you. We love you. There are other members of the family, of course, who contributed to the well-being of my brother, especially during his time of illness. And Kevin, you took your dad to hospital. You drove him to Nairobi and back. You were there for him. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Find comfort in that you served him well for the time you are together. And the rest of us, brothers and sisters, Stephen, your children, you made his life a happy one. Thank you so much. The funeral committee, under his able leadership of, I call you Waziri because you are Waziri to me. You are a teacher like myself, MCA Honorable Karanja. Under your leadership, we have worked together every day to get this day to be where it was. So committee members, we appreciate you, we celebrate you. The magnitude of this kind of an arrangement requires very articulate process to detail. We appreciate you so much. The neighbors, the formal and informal groups, church groups, teachers groups, the people who came as groups, as individuals to come and bring firewood, food, money, we can't appreciate you enough. God bless you. We have a group of young people, young men, who do a very noble job to prepare the house in which my brother's body will lay. Nyinyi mnakuruhana na Yesu mwenyewe alienda kutayarisha a home up there. So mko sawa. Asanteni sana young men, keep doing the good job. I am not sure I have forgotten somebody that is important. Somebody I should have mentioned, a group that I should have mentioned, and I skipped mentioning. It is not practically possible to mention everybody today, but please know that we appreciate you and the multitude that is here today. If my brother Jack was to just have a glimpse of this, if my father was to have a glimpse of this, if the late governor was to have a glimpse of this, and of course my mother, they would say, tuko sawa. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you, Dr. Josephine. Kwa heshima naomba sasa nimwalike mheshimiwa Eric Wamobi, mjumbe wa eneo hili, aweze kutukaribisha kirasmi na atoe rabirabi zake. Mheshimiwa, kwa kifupi.